If you clicked on this video, you are looking for a pistol. You are looking for the best pistol for a senior. Well, I got you. I got you covered. As a firearms instructor who offers try before you buys and works with a lot of senior and a lot of women's, this manufacturer I'm about to tell you is going to fill your need. Whether you're looking for home defense, whether you're looking for range time, whether you're looking for just overall carry, this pistols will do what you need to do. As a senior or someone with dexterity issues, racking the slide, loading a magazine, shooting the pistol, all three of those will be solved by this manufacturer. If you stay tuned, I'm going to tell you the manufacturer next. We'll be right back. Welcome back, guys. Listen, picking any pistol is pretty daunting. When's the last time you've been to the gun show or the gun store and went through all those pistols? Do you know that majority of those pistols that are at the range are not going to be easy to rack? They're not going to be easy to load, and they're not meant for seniors. They're meant for people who have better dexterity than most seniors do. So the manufacturer I'm going to tell you about today is Smith & Wesson. Smith & Wesson, and you can tell I'm a Smith boy, but Smith & Wesson has had their thumb on the pulse of what seniors are looking for. Smith & Wesson has got you covered. They've put together this line called the EZ line. It started a while back with the Smith & Wesson EZ. And the EZ is an 8-round magazine, semi-automatic, single-stacked, nice, great pistol. It's got a chamber indicator. It's got thumb safety or no thumb safety. It's got a back strap safety for you. And this is a great overall, wonderful shooting pistol for anybody who is a senior, who is a woman, who has dexterity issues. This is the pistol we shoot most of the time for people who come to the range who are trying one of our try before you buys. And I look at their hands and I look at what they look like and I look at their age and I go, this is the weapon for you. And we pull out that Smith & Wesson EZ. The EZ has a 3-dot white system. It is a very simple gun to run. Majority of the time, if the student's going to have a problem, they're going to have 3 problems. They're going to have control problems when they can't control muzzle flip, which we teach you that in class. They're going to have loading problems where they can't load the magazine, or they're going to have racking problems where they can't rack the slide. Well, Smith & Wesson has put a spring assembly in this EZ model that makes it very easy to rack. You could 2-finger rack it. Obviously, the more pressure you put on the gun, the easier it is to rack. It is a magazine. Here's a sample of that. The magazine itself has a cheater bar that you pull down to put the round in, pull down to put the round in. And it makes it so simple because when you're doing training classes, one of the hardest things to teach you or any other student is how to load that magazine. Why? Because the magazine is a spring-loaded system. And when you put a round in a magazine, you tighten that spring up tighter and tighter and tighter. So, who's the EZ for? It's EZ's for anybody 65 and older that does not own a pistol or has dexterity issues. This gun will do everything you need in one piece. It is your carry piece. It is your home defense gun. It is your range gun all in one. And that's what you want. You want to spend time shooting your carry piece, because your carry piece, you need to know it just as much as you know your range gun. Remember, what we do at the range is about muscle memory. We need to figure out how much control we need to put on this weapon to take care of it. Now, I always recommend that you try it before you buy it, but some people aren't lucky enough to be close enough to a good range that offers a try before you buy system. And what I would the reason why Try Before You Buy works so much, because we're giving you training first to learn how to control the weapon prior to renting a gun to see if you like it. If you're renting a firearm but you don't know how to hold a firearm, that doesn't make much sense to you. But I've got you on that. At the end of this video, I've got a few ebooks I want to tell you about, and they're going to help you get your control of the weapon and help you understand grip and stance and trigger control and sight picture and sight alignment. And we have multiple videos that we will show you the next video to watch in this series, and that'll help you tremendously get control of the weapon before you can't really go to the range and not know what you're doing with a pistol and rent a pistol. You're not going to like it at that point in time, because recoil management is one of the real challenges for most people, or they know how to hold on to it properly, proper grip. So these ebooks give you all that: proper grip, proper stance, sight picture, sight alignment, and all the bells and whistles you need. And they're economically, they're $1.99 a piece, but it gives you the ability to understand. And the cool thing about the ebooks is each one of these ebooks has a physical video in my YouTube channel that you could go back and watch it as well. So that's pretty good. So the EZ would be my choice if you feel you don't have the dexterity or the strength to rack a regular gun. Now, Smith & Wesson did come out with the Equalizer. The Equalizer is a far better, I wouldn't say better, I would say it looks a lot cooler. It's optic ready already, so it has a plate on the back side of it. It has a 3-dot system that are raised a little bit, so it'll co-witness with the red dot. It comes with 3 magazines. It comes with a 15, 13, and 10, where the EZ was 2 8-rounds only. You know, capacity is real important for us, but technically, if you need more than 3 or 4, you're probably in the wrong fight anyways. But the Equalizer is the same size, 3.6. The weight's a little different. I think the EZ was about 23 ounces or so. And let me look this up real quick. 23 ounces on the EZ, 26 on the Equalizer. So the Equalizer is a couple ounces heavier. That heaviness helps with recoil management. Now, it's not as easy to rack as the EZ, but it is the technology that Smith put together to make this pistol make it easier to rack as well. I haven't had much problem with that. Most people don't have a problem with it. The real problem with most people racking a slide is they do it way too slow. Well, if you do it a little faster, you're going to get it through there a lot better. The Equalizer has the optic ready plate. It has the 3 magazines. It's got a loader from Smith & Wesson. I'll show that right here. That loader will help you load those 15-round mags. I'm going to tell you this right now. The magazine has a base plate. It has a follower, and it has a spring in between there. And even myself, past so many rounds, it gets a little challenging to load those 10, 11, 12, and 13 rounds in a magazine. It comes to the Upala loader, which I'll show you here, which will help you load the magazines. Both packages would work perfectly from anywhere from probably 9 years old. I've had little girls or dads bring their children in, and people have shot it all the way. Probably the oldest on the Equalizer was 94. The guy was 94 and was shooting it. So it's rackable. It's just I'm not sure if it's going to be rackable for somebody who has dexterity issues. I would tell you to try both of them, and you pick the one that's necessary for you. You pick the right one that's going to help you become more proficient. Now keep in mind, buying the pistol's one thing. Getting out, shooting on a regular basis is another thing. And getting some training will help you tremendously. We've talked about our ebooks, which will be at the end of this. We'll show you a couple of ebooks we have down in the descriptions below, but we have some videos as well. Obviously, if you're close enough to do a training class with us, we'd love to have you. But if you don't have a good instructor by you, contact the NRA, contact the USCCA, put your zip code in, and they'll find a qualified instructor for you. No matter what you do, guys, it's just time behind the guns. It's going to help you build the muscle memory to make you more proficient with a pistol. What's the best pistol in 2025 for seniors? Well, that's up to you now. You know the two I picked. If you were coming to me, I would tell you the EZ or the Equalizer from Smith & Wesson. Hands down, probably the best pistol in 2025 coming up, because I can tell you that Equalizer was the 2024's best. There's a video I'll be showing you there. You can look at that if you'd like to. There are plenty of videos, plenty of information on our YouTube channel. All you have to do is subscribe. Large percentage of you watch my videos, and I appreciate it very much, but almost 90% of you watch our videos are not subscribed. It only takes a little finger to touch a button, and it helps us tremendously, and it costs you nothing. It costs you nothing but a little swipe of the finger. If you found value in what I've given you today, and I hope you did, because we started this channel many years ago for the purpose to educate, motivate, and entertain. This is a passion of mine. I love you guys. I want to make sure you're safe and you're comfortable with a firearm, and it definitely would be these two if I was picking one for you. If you make a comment below, you can always go to my YouTube channel, send me an email if you'd like. My name is John Johnson. I'm the owner and operator of a firearms training facility in beautiful Cape Coral, Florida. And I specialize in you, the first-time shooter, maybe the senior, maybe the woman senior, someone who's never shot a pistol before. That's my job, to get you confident, to become more proficient with a pistol. We started this channel many years ago to motivate, educate, entertain, and I hope I did that today for you. If you think so, please don't forget to hit the bell icon, the like, and the subscribe button. And every time we upload a video just like this one, you'll be the next to know. Check out this video we got coming up next. It's going to help you become more proficient with a pistol. As well as, don't forget, in the comments below is all of our ebooks, and those ebooks will help you get through grip, stance, trigger control, sight picture, sight alignment. Each individual book will help you understand the journey you need to have to become the best shooter you can be. Until next time, God bless, be safe, and remember, you are your first line of defense. Thank you for coming along on my journey. I love you very much. Be safe, guys.